In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image as a background in Canva. This is a really handy skill if you're designing social media posts, presentations, flyers, or even simple thumbnails, because a strong background image can completely change the feel of your design. First, open Canva and head into the design where you want to set the background image. This could be a blank new design or an existing project you're editing. Give the page a moment to load so that all of the tools appear clearly on the screen. Now, you'll need to choose the image you want to use as your background. You have two main options here. If you want to use one of Canva's built-in images, look over to the left side of your screen and click on the Elements tab. From there, scroll until you see photos, or simply type a keyword into the search bar, like beach, office, or abstract, to find something that matches your design. If you already have an image saved on your computer, you'll instead click on the Uploads tab on the left. Then, click the button to upload media from your device and select the image file you want to use. Once the upload finishes, you'll see your image appear in the Uploads panel. Next, click once on the image you've chosen so that it appears on your canvas. Don't worry about sizing or positioning it manually. We're going to let Canva handle that in the next step. With the image now on your design, hover your mouse over it and right-click. A small menu will pop up with several options. Look through that menu and find the option that says Set Image as Background. Then click it. As soon as you do this, Canva will automatically resize and position the image so that it fills the entire page, edge to edge. This means you don't have to stretch or crop it yourself. If you don't like how it looks, you can always undo the action or try a different image by repeating the same process. From here, you can adjust the transparency, add text on top, or layer other elements to complete your design. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set an image as your background in Canva.